Is that working? That's when they're working. Okay, there we go. Finally. Way overboard. I think that should be good. Alright. 2 storms. Don't think that one's about to produce. This one should be producing in the next 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, that's just a very, very strong supercell. Let's see. Gonna add these in. Okay, hopefully that works. Gotta turn that down. Oh yeah, that thing's about to produce. Fortunately, the road network there is pretty terrible due to the river. So nobody's gonna be able to see it when it does. This one doesn't look as good. Let's see. Check tops. Let's see. That should be fine. Like this should. It's about an hour out. Did have confirmed one. I don't know why. Doesn't really. I forgot who reported it. It was Radar. Wow. There we go. There we go. Let's see. VIL 1, 3. Yeah. Is this destructive? No, it's considerable, but close. Okay. It's starting to ramp. Should also be about to do it as well. 125, 1/4, 1/2 inch. There we go. There we go. This one could be about to produce. this one right here. This one should also ooh, baseball size hail right there. These tops are ridiculous. 50 plus. That's definitely gonna do a bunch. There we go. It's confirmed. Alright. So we have a tornado outside of the confirmed tornado warning. Yeah, there it is. Pretty sure it's right here. Probably gonna go PDS here pretty soon. Yep, PDS. Very dangerous tornado developing here. Thankfully, it's on a river right now. This one over here is looking more outflow dominant. Don't think it's imminent, but a little bit of maneuvering with this RFD will give it a tornado potential. This one obviously has one down. Let's see. Borderlining on good thing is there's nobody around anywhere except for Garden City. Garden City is the only area of interest right now, just due to the storm motion. Still likes a little outflow weight over here. Does have a lot of inflow into it though. Let's see. see, 50s. Pretty stable 50s over here. It's on its way. Same. All right. Ooh, a beaver. That's both a good and a bad thing. That's both a good and bad thing. As a, that's probably right where the tornado is. It's just there's no debris in it. Check. Yeah, there she is. Okay, that's definitely down. Yeah, that's the debris signature right there. That's a lot of debris in the air. Alright. I don't think they're gonna go tornado emergency. Dang, that looks intense. A fairly intense tornado. Especially with this nice little beaver and the debris signature on the side. Let's see. That's the less violent version. There we go. And it just sticks out like a sore thumb. I don't know if it's gonna get up to Bood. This looks like it's on the more southern track. Yeah, this is on a more southern track. This one's still going. Alright. There we go. Definitely a violent, strong to violent tornado ongoing. Near Garden City, they did extend the warning. Damaging tornado radar confirmed. Thankfully, it's in the middle of nowhere, except for Garden City. Should remain on the southern edge. Thankfully, it's on a river right now. There she is, right there as well. I think this one, it so wants to do it, but it's just, there's just something wrong. Looks like this info is starting to reach the surface as well, so we'll have to watch it. The CC drop from this tornado, just sticking out like a sore thumb, heading into Garden City. Yeah, this is on more southern track. It did extend it south. There we go. What Thankfully, I don't think this will reach tornado emergency levels, but let's see. That's the debris up to what is that? 20 feet? 14? That makes sense with how it looks. I wish they would. It is on sale, so we should be getting better ratings right now. Let's see. Alright. 2.25. Alright. That is a very short cutoff. Probably be able to see this in the satellite data. I'm gonna go check. Should be up in here. Should be about to go into Garden City. I don't know why it's not updating properly. There we go. Don't know why it's not updating. Come on. How's this? It's on sales. It should be updating faster than this. Especially with such a borderline event. Still quite high. Some ping pong balls, I say. That's definitely going through Garden City. Thankfully, it's a relatively small town, but still. Let's go. Oh, there's, I think that's a debris signature. Yeah, just barely. Very nice beaver on it. Check these, yeah. 58, 45, so over 100. That goes. Is that 55? Yeah, that's almost 60. This one's looking like rough. It has the right velocities, but boy is it weird. Ugh. Let's see. Oh, cool, that says the tail. That is bio. Very strong tornado signature. Did they just update it? No, it is not. Ah, there we go. Very strong. This also has a confirmed tornado on it. Radar, what? Where? Is it this one? No. Let's see. Oh, they did go tornado emergency. We have a tornado emergency for Garden City. Alright. They did up to tornado emergency. It does have the structure you want to see for such a event. I don't know which radar they're using to confirm this one. That one still seems very broad. Very strong rotation. That's Garden City. Let's see. BIL, go top. Oof. Come on. Where is this one? Jeez. Garden City. Boot. Is that all debris? I think that might all be debris. Can't tell just yet. So, Garden City, threat's almost passed. It's passed. Boot. Meadville. Looks like that B were filled in with debris. Very Looks like a very large tornado as well. Yeah, that's all debris. Jeez. Very, very strong. That is a lot of debris in the air. This entire area here is a debris ball. Alright. Booed. This is a very strong tornado. Maybe now? Is that it? That's not anything. Where's this radar come from? It's one of these. Should be confirmed. Oof, very strong. Dang. Let's see. Anything else? Nope. Nope. Alright. Let's see. Just north of Coles. Tabooed, just south. Should be. It's in a bunch of trees right now, so that's a good thing. Very strong tornado. It is rain wrap, so you will not be able to see this at all. To Booed, Meadville are potentially in the path, but you should just treat it as you are. Garden City's all clear. Jeez. They went all the way down to the negative levels for the CC. All the way through. I think this is actually caused by debris. This spike right here. Yes, it's being caused by debris. You're getting a 3-body scatter spike with the debris coming out the back. Very you're getting debris signatures into the 60s right now. 60 DVZ with just tree debris, which is absurd. That's gonna leave a nasty scar. Wow, Let's see. You're getting purple pick. You're getting 100 mile per hour in the these areas right in here. 100 in one direction. Jeez. Oof. That's a good sign. It did go down a little bit. Problem is, you ain't seeing anything in that. Nice little 3-body to the north, caused solely by hail. As I don't think that, yeah, there's not enough vertical VIL to do such as scatter spike. Alright. Then you have this one over here. It should be up in... yeah, this one's also producing one right now as well. Also another scatter spike. They issued a new tornado emergency, including Borges Chico, Auburn, and McFallen Creek. Let's see. Radar confirmed. Let's see. That. Jeez. This one's also starting to look strong near Purvis. This is in a more populated area, which is a lot more concerning. It's near Hattiesburg again. Is this PDS? Jeez. This one's probably gonna turn into a decent tornado as well. Problem is they're all rain wrapped to the high heavens right now. You're not gonna see any of these. This is starting to approach a highway south of Bud into a more populated area. Technically. This one's probably going to be one you'll be able to see through satellite data. Potentially even right now. In real time. Based on how strong that thing was. It's still got a fairly strong debris signature. You also have this one near Purvis, Mississippi. It's also, this one's in a much more populated zone, as you have Hattiesburg just to the north. I think it's right there. That's right. It's right on top of this building right here. So if it is strong, we're about to get a very, very intense debris signature off that. Let's see. Oh. Oof. Wow. Wow. Jeez. Jeez. Oh. How is this not being updated? Alright. Oh. Jeez. Jeez. Yeah, close miss to the top. Tunnel boot. Yep. Oh, I really wish this would update faster. Oh, wow. Uh-oh. That one's, has a lot more hail in it. That looks relatively small, but still obviously a tornado. Alright. Pretty sure this one's gonna go PDS. No. Oh, it did go PDS. Jeez. Wow. I think it may have weakened briefly, but that could just be a bar. Oh, it's because I went over this open field area, so there's not enough stuff to pick up. I'm surprised this one doesn't have a blatantly obvious. I mean, that was the debris signature. Jeez. I guess it's some sort of multi-vortex. Thankfully. signature. Jeez. We're still continuing this tornado emergency, obviously. This one is looking weaker than it should. As it hit this building and it's been moving up this direction. It is over some residential buildings, so we should get a big jump in the CC here shortly. That looks like it's back to a Beaver again. Yeah. Oof, still got a nice rotational signature on that one. This one looks like it's a cycling. This one's still obviously going pretty hard. Jeez. Jeez. Let's see. Alright. Good thing Garden City is the only residential area that looks like it was directly impacted. Has been mostly over open forest. It is going into a slightly more dense area for just there's a lot of trees in the way, thankfully. Very much a lot of trees in the way. Oof, those look very much. Oop. Still there. They're still there. Jeez. I think this tornado emergency is weakening, but it's ran out of trees to hit there briefly. I think this one lifted. Jeez. Jeez. I think this one's definitely lifted. Yeah. This one's cycling. Yeah, it's cycling right now. You're gonna see a new tornado off of this area right in here. There, yep. Oof. How high is that? That's 71 dBz. Looks like this tornado emergency is about to drop a new tornado. It's gonna be basically dropping it on this guy. that's annoying. Yeah, it's about, yeah, you see this new area developing right in here. It's gonna drop in, that's where the next one's gonna develop. Jeez. They did update this. They have to radar confirm everything because everything's either in a hole or so rain wrapped that you can't see anything. They did extend the new warning out to New Augusta. A new one should be developing here shortly in the next 5 minutes with that look. First one has lifted. This initial one that went through Garden City. I believe that one has lifted. Yes, it has. They have this one, still radar confirmed. I believe this one has also lifted. That one's a lot harder to see where the next one's gonna drop, so it's not very friendly to the eyes. Yeah, I mean, it's just telegraphing where the next one's gonna drop. That's probably not going to do anything there. Alright. Should be able to get something out of this here soon. They did extend the tornado emergency. Chop the warning off quite a bit. Jeez. Jeez. It may have failed the handoff. It's looking like the handoff was failed. Which would be really, really wild. It still looks like it could be happening, it's just something doesn't look right. Just doesn't. Alright. Nothing there. Let's see. Demopolis. Oof. Nope. Jeez. Alright. I believe it failed and might be trying to put down a new tornado on the old tornado cyclone. no really issue there. Ooh, we do have a report of damage. Let's see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's this right here. This handoff might not be going properly. Which is good, because it might fail and cut itself off. Might reduce the tornado threat. Oh. Let's see. Jeez. Oof. Alright. Jeez. 3.5 inch? Oof. 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 Dang it. There's too many clouds in the way. So we can't see the real-time damage. Ozone. That's not gonna help. Particle size, visible. CO2, I think I can. Nope, can't use it. That's a good sign. And this is looking potentially good for tornadoes near New Augusta. Oh, they did get the tornado damage right there. Dang. Okay, this looks like a failed attempt, a failed handoff. As the old area is now looking like it's trying to produce a tornado right now. Be right in here. We'll have to see. Top phases, nope. Short range, maybe? Nope. Not about penetrate where I need it. There's fires in here. Yeah. Yeah, big old black pixel right there for that fire. believe this one near McCall Creek has a new tornado down. At least one. It might be twins. Problem is, it's in a tree area. It's nowhere near as strong as it was before. There's probably a tornado down just south of McCall Creek, heading towards Bouge Cheeto. I don't know how to say that one. Brookhaven should be too far north, but it'll be on the very south end. You'll get into this hail core. Let's see, anyone else? Nope. Alright. Yeah, that was a failed handoff, and it looks like the main area is starting to take control. What am I supposed to do with that one over there? So much hail interference due to this crud right here. It'll be right in here. Problem is, it has a giant inflow area. In fact, it's not producing a tornado. It's weird. Is that a potential tornado area? I think so. I'll have to bring up something else. That's so weird. Due to that hail causing issues. Let's see. No indication from that. It's annoying. Let's see. Yeah, it's just right in here. Very tight angle for the inflow, which can be easily cut off by this outflow. But you can see where it's just angled in there. Don't think that's a tornado. It's definitely where the ball cloud is. See. Still has the super high tops. As well. Should go just north of here. Veneer. Oh, that's fun. Right through the one area with all the trees on both sides. Haven't seen any massive reports of damage yet. Apparently now it's heading southeast. Apparently this is the tornado right here. Right here. And it turned more southeast. This should stay within the warning, but geez. A little bit deviant, aren't we? Let's see. Could always... Yeah, it's definitely down again. Right in here. Can't tell on this one. Uh-oh. It has a debris signature as well. It should be over mostly open areas, yeah. There we go. Definitely still on the ground.